It's a miserable, windy, cold day, but we think this is the day we're going to try to get that barn down.
Would you say it's a more miserable day for the barn?
The barn's been suffering, you know. This would be to put it out of its misery.
So we'll put it out of its misery.
It does look like it's kind of cruel to just leave it. What do you think, Dad?
The middle one's the two pieces. I didn't know that. See, there's splice right there on that post.
Got the wooden peg in it.
It might break apart pretty quick.
I wish we had a 200-foot cable.
These are all leaning. These posts are ready to go. I think this post here is one of, well, it's off the foundation.
Yeah, they're all up off the...
This siding on this side over here is holding this lean-to, I guess, or is it part of the barn?
And it's sitting on these blocks.
Some of them fell off the blocks already.
As it's standing, I bet it's harder to get off, or harder to get down.
I've got 30 foot. I've got two 15-footers. That's all I've got.
Well, we've got several of those 3/8.
You're wanting to go which way? One south and one north?
I'm wanting to go both of them west.
West. West? Why west?
Put one tractor over here and one tractor over there and a big chain in between it and start driving and mow it down just like a...
Wow. I like that idea.
I'm not sure I do when you get to the... because I think it'll catch on these concrete blocks. I don't know how substantial they are. The old barn's leaning this away, and I think if you were to do that, we got a fence post or two here that would be a problem, but maybe not. But I don't know about the manger.
What do you think of that idea? Do you think he could just cut it off with a chain?
Well, that's the way they did the old house down there. They said it didn't work because the kitchen come up through the front door.
Just talking a little bit more, Tom, it looks to me like those two middle posts are the only one holding anything.
I think you're right.
Don't get the roof down, then you can handle this with the backhoe.
Yeah.
Keep knocking and working in there. Though those rafters look like they're in good shape yet.
The rafters are in good shape.
So they may be the worst thing, I don't know.
Probably be tougher to get down than what it looks like even yet.
Yeah.
Got a few groundhog holes.
The ladder to the loft is over there.
It sounds like fun, why not?
Well, you see, this is what it's all about, guys. Just trying to figure out how to attack the problem. And it makes sense for us to debate here and throw out all our ideas, and then we'll come up with one that we're going to work.
I don't know what happened if you start pushing on it with the hoe. That might be a good plan.
We can push at the top of this lean-to?
Push it this way with the lean-to.
With the hoe or the lower?
With the hoe.
The bucket or the hoe?
The hoe.
Okay.
You got...
Well, let's go get the hoe and a couple tractors, I guess.
Okay, so after all the discussion we went through earlier, we've talked about all these different plans, and I experimented a little bit with Johnny too, and already busted a hose off the Grapple. We're just going to try to take this backhoe and push it in. I don't think you'll push it over that way myself. You'll get this down, no problem. Did you think I was pushing the whole thing with the little tractor then?
Well, I don't know. I didn't see that. Dad took over and decided thought it. He been watching it enough that he thought we could.
It's down!
Timber.
It didn't take much!
Wise one was right again.
Time to go to lunch, huh?
I'm ready for a cheeseburger.
Bring it on.
So this is the hay tracking trolley that they used to get hay.
Bulk hay.
Bulk, yeah, from the ground. They would had big tongs, and they would pick up, and they would take it all the way up, and then it would slide into the barn. We got some video inside the hay mow here years and years ago, and we don't show it in action, but you at least can see it while the barn was still up and in reasonably good condition. We'll see if the stairs will let us into the loft here. Here's the loft.
This is a wood peg barn. See, these, instead of nailing, there's no nails here. They drove in holes. Well, these are nailed here, I guess. But
Is
the
it
big
mortise?
timbers
Oh, okay.
are pegged together.
Is that what they call mortise and tenon or something?
Yeah.
So the one that's coming down has got a piece sticking out of it?
sticking out of it into this one.
Uh-huh.
That had a hole cut in it. And then they bored a hole through it and put a peg in it so you can hold it.
Is that the spot up there for the guy to set who runs the pulley, Dad?
That's just to be able to get up there. If you got this full of hay, so you have to have some way of getting on up.
So you got the ladder up there, and then there's a little stand up there.
I suppose that's to help a guy if he's working on that pulley or something.
Drew kind of likes the barn. Thinks it's all right. Here?
We're going to see if we can save that trolley.
Only thing it says on it is liter.
Huh.
Liter 70. That's the only writing I can see on it.
There's one piece of rope still in it.
Yeah.
There's your piece. That's your bolts. Here's one of the hooks.
I'm glad we got that much of it.
That's what I wanted to say about all of it. Is that right there?
Tom, we got her down.
Bingo!
All that planning we did beforehand.
The wise one changed their plans.
Yeah, that was Dad's idea. Dad's not with us this afternoon. He decided to take a nap, but his idea is usually the right one.
He was right.
Yeah.
He was right
So-
the whole time.
I don't know what we're going to do when Dad's gone. That's kind of sad. But
Probably the wrong way. That's
well, it's on the ground. Maybe in our next episode we'll get a chance to try to dispose of it in some way. Thanks for pushing it down, Randall.
It was a lot of fun.
And thanks for old Casey here.
hey.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. This is our barn.
We're real proud of this.
Yeah.
Now here's where the groundhogs are. Here's Missy. Look at that walker of a hole over there.